In this video, I'm going to show you how I add a circular talking head to my videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. I use this primarily when I'm explaining something to my audience, and yes, of course, I'll be using it today. My method is fast and simple, and it will literally take you like 2 minutes tops to get it all down. This is a graph of a recent measurement I performed on a subwoofer for my other channel, Audio Architects, and the goal is to take the part where my head was explaining everything and put it on the bottom right corner. The first thing you'll do is make sure your talking head video is on top of the measurement clip. While the talking head clip is selected, we are going to go to opacity and click on the circle crop. Now we have a circle. I'm now going to move the circle right over my face. If you need to, you can hold the shift key and just drag the circle out a bit to give your head and shoulders a better crop. Now, obviously your head is going to be super big, so all you have to do is go to scale and scale it down until it's the size you want. Now, all you need to do is move it to where you want it to live and you're done. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope this helps. Don't forget to bookmark it, the video, because I literally had to go back and rewatch someone else's video several times because my short-term memory is literally non-existent. If you like the content, go ahead and slap the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one, friends. Take care.